Hello wonderful people, Florin here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to 2020. This year my entire focus will be on creating YouTube videos, and for that I'm going to start the year with a challenge. I call it the 31 days 31 videos challenge. And the rules are pretty simple. I'm going to post one video every day for 31 days or the entire month of January. You know how much I love challenges, right? So this is the perfect way to start a new year. The videos will go live every day at 4 p.m. UTC plus 2, so make sure you check out every day to see what new videos I'm posting. In case you don't want to miss it, you can receive notifications by subscribing and turning on your notifications for my channel. Let's see some of the things that I'm thinking of creating and covering in this challenge. First, we can go over some of the projects I've built for the 100 days 100 projects challenge. So here you can see we have 100 projects, and I'm going to pick some of them and I'm going to show you how I built it. So you're going to learn how to do animations and all kind of fun things with JavaScript and CSS, and maybe we go into React and Node, and it will be pretty fun. For example, we can do this waves project where we click on the dot and then we have a wave going around, or maybe this line through effect. If we refresh, you can see a line going through the text, or all sorts of animations. Maybe even I can show you how I've built this timeline component where I showcase all the things that I've achieved in 2019. So you can do it too and post it on your website. And of course, why not, let's do some coding challenges where we can see how to solve different coding challenges using JavaScript. And also we'll do maybe some live coding if you want that, or pretty much anything. You can also let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials you want to see, what you want to learn, and I make sure that I cover as much as possible. So yeah, it will be an amazing year. I can't wait to start. So see you in the next video tomorrow at 4 p.m. Don't forget. Make sure you subscribe and tell your friends, your mother, your father, your dog, your cat, or just announce everybody that I'm going to do this crazy challenge, and I have more challenges planned, so it will be amazing, I promise you. Stick around and you'll see, you'll learn a lot of things, because that's my main focus. I want to learn stuff, build stuff, and show you how I did it so you can do it too. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing year. Bye.